Here I want to go over identifying quartiles in order to create a box and whisker plot. And specifically, a common mistake that's made in identifying the quartiles based on where the median is. So first, let's go over the example on the left. The first step is to put the numbers in order from smallest to biggest, which mine already is, and to identify that middle number, which is the median. In this case, it's 5. Because notice there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers below, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers above. And so we mark that. That is our median, or some people refer to it as quartile 2. Now we're going to find the lower quartile, or quartile 1, and that is the middle of the numbers that are below the median. So we're just looking at these numbers, not including the median. So what is the middle of these numbers I underlined in pink? 2. So this is the lower quartile, or quartile 1. And then let's do the same to find the upper quartile. We're looking for the middle of the numbers above the median. You see it? It's 7. So this is our upper quartile, or quartile 3. And so these are the numbers along with the smallest and biggest number that we use to create our box and whisker plot. So I like to just draw my number line and make vertical lines at each of those key points, with my smallest and biggest number being slightly smaller lines. And then I connect my lower quartile and upper quartile to make the box. The median's always in the middle. And then you draw your whiskers out to your smallest and your biggest number, your minimum and maximum. Now let's go over a slightly different example over on the right. The only difference is I added an additional number. I added a 0 at the beginning. So now what is the median? The median is right here. This is the middle, because notice there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers below, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers above. Now we know our median is exactly in between 4 and 5. So you might know already the number exactly in between 4 and 5 is 4.5 or 4.5. If you didn't know that, you can just add the two numbers together and divide by 2. And we get 4.5. So our median is 4.5, or quartile 2, 4.5. Now what do we do? To find our lower quartile, remember, we're looking at the numbers below the median. Well, our median is 4.5, so the numbers below the median are these. Notice I'm including the 4. Okay, so when I look at these, I'm going to try to find the middle, and I notice that it is right here, exactly in between 1 and 2. And the number in between 1 and 2, if I add 1 plus 2, I get 3. Divide by 2, I get 1.5. That is our lower quartile, or quartile 1. And then I do the same to find my upper quartile. I'm looking at the numbers that are above the median. Notice I'm including that 5. I'm including the 4 and 5, even though the 4 and 5 were the two middle numbers I averaged to find the median. So if I look at those, I see that the middle is right here between the 7 and the 7, which is 7. So that is our quartile 3. And then again, like the last one, all you need to do to make your box and whisker plot is identify your quartiles and then your smallest and biggest number, your minimum and maximum. So let's plot those on a number line. And then connect our lower quartile to our upper quartile, and then draw a line from the box out to our whiskers, our smallest and biggest numbers. And there you go.